get that light and now we feel it in a fire. When I get those vibes this time we bring the music higher. When I get that light and now we feel it in a fire. When I get those vibes this time we bring the music higher. Shine.